Hello everyone, how is your day? Finally, we meet again in this video. Okay everyone, without further ado, we will talk about obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. Let's get started. Alright, I will start by asking questions. What does obligation mean? Well, obligation means that something that we must do or the fact that we are obliged to do something. So, based on this definition, it conveys that there is an obligation within oneself, and if it is not carried out, it can produce a sanction or a consequence. It is like when we are in the school, of course, the school has rules that must be obeyed. Therefore, we are as students must obey the rules. In saying expression of obligation, there is modal must. Modal must is used to express something. For modal must, it expresses necessity or a must itself, which is in Indonesian means harus. And then it is followed by subject, verb 1, and complement. So this is the pattern of expression of obligation. Then we move to prohibition. What does prohibition mean? So, prohibition actually is the opposite of obligation, which means an act of not allowing to do something. In the expression of prohibition, there is modal must also, but it is added with not and followed by subject, verb 1, and complement. Well, this is the pattern of the expression of prohibition. Okay, now we move to talk about suggestion. What does suggestion mean? Well, suggestion is an idea, plan, or action that is suggested or the act of suggesting it. It looks like similar with obligation, but actually it is not. If suggestion, there is no effect or consequence if we don't do what has been suggested. For suggestion, there is modal should to express expectation, and then it is followed by subject, verb 1, and complement. So this is the pattern of expression of suggestion. So if you guys want to ask, you must change the statement into the interrogative form. You just need to move the modals into the initial sentence, so it becomes like this. The modal is in the initial sentence, which is should, and then followed by subject, verb 1, and complement. For example, should Pharaoh deliver him to the library? Must I go to the school at 7 a.m.? Well, those are the explanation about the expression of obligation, prohibition, and suggestion. I hope you can understand it well, and thank you for watching.